How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over how you can run our Dual Memory MultiColor mini bars for two applications. So for example here, I have a MultiColor K-Force 18 linear, and I'm using our dual mode SIG plug here. So you'll see in one power mode that I have my unit in multicolor, and again this is a red clear amber unit, so my primary color is red clear and my secondary color is amber. And in your multicolor flash patterns you'll see your unit will flash back and forth between its primary and secondary colors. And then in my second power mode, I have my unit programmed in a red clear flash pattern. So you'll see that I can easily swap between the two power modes to run my unit in multicolor or my primary color, or I can do my secondary color as well. So for example, if I wanted to change this to amber, I'll cycle through the red clear flash patterns, and you'll have 4 patterns. So that's pattern 3, pattern 4, and then I'll have my amber flash pattern. So say I wanted to do an all amber solid flash pattern here. So let's go ahead and program that flash pattern there. So in one of my power modes I'm running amber, and then in my other power mode I'm running red clear amber. Now say I wanted to run my unit in red clear in one power mode and amber in a second power mode, I can do that as well. So I'll go from my multicolor flash patterns here to a red clear flash pattern. So I'll go ahead and cycle through the flash patterns here, and you'll have all of your multicolor flash patterns. You'll have 32 multicolor flash patterns, and then again you'll have your 4 patterns in your primary color and your 4 patterns in your secondary color. So let me go ahead and get to the end of the pattern sequence here, and then we'll be into our red clear flash patterns. And then here in just a second. So you'll see that I have a red clear flash pattern program. Now you do have memory recall in each power mode. So now I have a red clear flash pattern set in one power mode, and then in my second power mode I have an amber flash pattern programmed, and I can easily swap between the two colors by using my dual mode SIG plug here. So this is a great option if you need to run a multicolor mini light bar for 2 applications, and we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. Make sure to check out our product demos and also our interactive players on the product pages. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.